You may be asking yourself what's happening here. First of all, the answer is organized chaos. And this is all about FIRST. Well, in this case, FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition in Science and Technology. The FIRST was formed in 1989 in New Hampshire, with the first competition held in 1992. North Carolina started hosting competitions in 2010, and now FIRST is nationwide, and students compete in FIRST robotics challenges everywhere.
This year's game is called Stronghold. So it's a castle-themed game, capture the flag. So teams pick defenses to put in front of their castle. Then they have to breach the defenses for the other team's castle to try to capture their castle and capture the flag. So these robots have to navigate obstacles that change every match.
Just one of my friends who's on the team, she asked me about it, and I remember doing Legos, and I thought it was the same thing. And then I was like, oh, we actually have to build a robot. I was actually pretty stoked about that.
Girls on Fire began competing in 2015. They formed as one of only 2 all-female teams in the state that year.
While a lot of these teams are really wonderful teams and welcome both genders, we found a disconcerting trend where there weren't as many women who were taking part in the driving of the robot or in the building of the robot or designing of it, as well as programming. And we really wanted to make a safe space for them to be able to participate in any piece that interested them.
Personally, I didn't realize that I could actually build, because being a girl and whatnot, it's like not common for us to be in there. So learning how to build a robot and learning how to communicate with other organizations, it's just, yeah, that's something I've learned through it.
FIRST is really for everybody. It doesn't matter who you are. FIRST is for any race, any gender. Everybody's welcome here. It's just tons of fun. Robot competitions, everybody's invited.
You come here with your team, you already know them, and then you're going against like other people, and then you playing with other people. It's like, oh yeah, our bot can do that, we can do this, their bot can do that and that. Then you put it together, and then you got like a full team. So it's pretty fun, meeting new people around the world and just playing with them.
Every year I am completely amazed at what these students can do in only 6 weeks. So at the beginning of January, they find out what this year's game is. So nobody knew Stronghold until January 9th. Then they have only 6 weeks to design, build, test, retest, break, rebuild their robots. And every year it feels like it's a problem that's too big. That this year the game is going to be impossible, nobody's going to be able to do it. And then they come to the tournament and they knock it out of the park.
We want to make sure that they're all ready to go, that they can do everything that they need to be able to do.
It's incredible to see once they get the challenge, each team is different. There's no 2 machines the same.
The competition is made up of multiple teams, working on alliance-based challenges. There is a red and a blue alliance, competing for total points. With all the challenges on the field, the robots often get banged up and need repairs. That allows teams to take on a NASCAR feel in their pit.
This is where we work on our robot when it's not playing it on the field. So we have our toolboxes and we have all these different tools here. So whenever the robot needs fixing or needs to be recharged with batteries or with pneumatics, we just come back here. We have a little cart that it goes on, and we come back here so we can work on it and make sure it's good for the next matches.
If you know your team is good enough to dominate, then it's not really a problem. But we still have to look at other teams that have a good defense, because it could be a problem for us. But if we just, go talk to them about intel and everything, and we, trade information, it shouldn't be that hard.
We have a climber that's worked really well before. It's a scissor lift. But what's really special about our climber is that it fits down into our robot, so we can also go under the low bar obstacle, and we can also climb.
Another big part of the competition involves promoting your robot for not only its abilities on the field, but also its merchandising abilities.
It's almost like learning how to be a part of a small company. We have a bunch of team members who work on the team's marketing and who work on designing our copy. And we have a lot of students who work on the programming and who work on the design of the robot, the building of the robot, driving it and testing it. And there's a wide gambit of things to tackle.